Good afternoon, everyone. I am back as usual. It's late in the afternoon, and the sun is up. It's not raining today, so I'm going to explore a waterfalls here in our place. The originals in this area has been telling me that there's a waterfall somewhere in that side, so I'm going there, and hopefully I can check it out for you, and I hope that I can get the best place to take very good photographs, and I'm going to share it with you. Let's go. I love to explore mountains, but unfortunately I don't have that stamina right now. So I need to exercise, and I need to do this thing often so that I'll get used to a very sometimes slippery ascent climbing mountains, so that if I want to explore farther and higher mountains, hopefully someday I won't get hard, or it won't be hard for me to climb. So we're going to a place that I do not know, or I have never been to that place, so we all discover that Bulatok Falls. There is no particular trail or road that we have to follow, but my father-in-law gave me the direction pointing to somewhere that we are going. So actually this place is not far from the barangay road, or the access road here in Bulatok, but it's a bit far from the population, the settlers here in Bulatok. So this land right here, no one is staying in this particular area, so it's a nice thing to explore, and nobody will yell at you, "Hey dude, what are you doing there?" "Oh, I'm going to explore these mountains." So we will pass through these cornfields here. So it's nice and very fat. They just sprung up from the stem of the corn. So we will try to cross this place right here. So after that ascending approach, we are now approaching downhill. So I hope that we can find it right away and spot on, because we don't have a particular trail or road to follow. So from here we can see a nice view of the city, and my camera that has much better zoom lens ran out of juice. Unfortunately, I cannot zoom in that very far small airport of Pagadian City. So we'll continue our exploration somewhere here, and I hope that we can find some deadly and hurtful obstacles along the way. right side, you can start to appreciate. It's a little bit farther, but you can see from here the fish port of Pagadian City. Oh my god, I saw a nice colored bird. Unfortunately, as I mentioned a while back, my camera that has better zoom technically runs out of juice too. So I cannot follow him. The exploration continues. So many hibi plants here, and they are not so friendly. We'll try to engage in low gear as we are now ascending on a very steep hill. I believe somebody has been here. So where should I go? Here. Oh, the grasses are taller there. Right there. I need to go to that cornfield. I need to clear some areas because you will not know if it's too dangerous to walk on, or yeah, just like that, it's very deep. So this is indeed a solo exploration of Jaime Lamberang's TV, so that you will see and learn, appreciate nature at its best, raw, very raw. So from here I can hear some rush of the water. I believe that must be a waterfall somewhere down below. Let's continue. From here we have to pass through another cornfield, but look at how steep it is. It was very steep, and I was descending from up above all the way down here. So let's continue. I am still looking for that well that they're saying, but unfortunately it's getting dark in here. That means rain is coming anytime soon. I wish I brought my DSLR camera so that I can capture a much better picture with it. But anyway, I need to climb back up there, so I have to go now. You know, coming right here and listening to the sound of the water, it feels like it's very good, you know, it's soothing, it's so relaxing. Nobody or nothing else that you can hear aside from the water. It's just worth it coming here and sharing it with you. The mini Bulatok Falls. So you've seen it, and I hope with this little effort that I'm doing, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel so that I can explore more of the beauty and wonderful nature here in Pagadian City.